Hey guys, Sherri here from Plants for All Seasons, and as summer's kind of winding down, we're getting done with vacation and we're home a little bit more. It's not too late to still spruce up your yard and your pots. You can get so much bang for your buck right now. There are several plants that you can still plant that will thrive through the rest of the heat and get you till we have our first frost. I'm just going to go through a few of them and give you some tips and tricks on getting them to take. So pentas are fabulous. They love it hot. Vinca, everybody knows Vinca. They also call this periwinkle. So it comes in two varieties, upright in several different colors. So you can see the growth habit goes upright on these. And then these are the trailing. They hang over and will cascade down or be a ground cover. Lantana, Texas tough, can take it hot. Very, very easy. It comes in lots of different colors. Mexican heather here with the purple flowers, just kind of a great perennial that you can add. Esperanza, typically this has yellow flowers all over it, but we sold all of them this week, so I have just this one with the green flowers, but it gets this yellow bell-shaped flowers. Esperanza, they also call it Tacoma stans. Porterweed, we have three different colors of these porterweed. They're gorgeous. As the day goes by, the flowers open up. And then down here on the bottom, anything salvia is going to be great for this extended heat that we have, late summer going into fall. Blue days, super, super hardy. And plumbago. Now, all of these will last through the heat just fine. Now, you can plant them now. A lot of people think you can't plant when we're this hot, but you certainly can. You just need to add good soil, add good fertilizer, and water them regularly. Don't rely on a sprinkler system. Get a good water wand. I love this because it puts the water down where you need it, down where those roots are. You don't need to water the overhead or over the top of the plant, but water them at the soil level, like deep. You want to do deep and infrequent. So when I first plant things, I visually monitor them. I'll have my sprinkler system come on. I'll kind of watch the weather radar. It looks like we're getting rain, but if I see somebody in distress, I'll get out and do some hand watering right at the soil level until it perks up. And if it can go 2 or 3 days without me hand watering, then it's finally getting rooted. So you can have success. Just pick the right plants and water them correctly. Enjoy the rest of your summer.